Hello guys, this is Worldometer, the live coverage of the coronavirus cases, COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, last updated just a little earlier, 8:04 GMT. Coronavirus cases, total number is right now 664, almost 665,000. That's so many. Huge deaths already, 30, almost 31,000. Recovered 142,000. Active cases 491,000. In mild condition, 95% of all total cases, they have mild symptom, 466,000. And serious or in critical condition, 5% of the total patients, that's 25,000 plus. Cases which had an outcome, 173,000. Recovered or discharged, 82%, 142,000. Deaths, that's 8%, almost 31,000. Total cases in linear scale, you see that's too high. It was not so big. 10 March cases were 118 or 119,000, but it goes too high, so high. It's all the way very high, and it has reached 663,000 cases. That's March 28 yesterday. That's terrible. So the beginning, January 22 cases 580. Let's go here, February 10 cases 43,000 plus, and then higher and higher. This is really so terrible. Here you have February 12, 59,000. It's not that high right now, but you can say after March 12 it has really gone very high. That's 663,000 cases. Let's go to the total deaths linear scale. So here you see the more cases, the more deaths. So here you have 12 February, you have March 2, and then March 10. So total number of deaths 42, that is 4,300, and it goes high and high, goes so high, and within a very short time. So can you imagine if it is just 10 March 4,300, but after just 18 days the total deaths, that is almost 31,000 people. So of coronavirus, 31,000 people have died so far all over the world. This has come from Worldometer. Here we go in details. World total number of cases is 665,000. New cases more than 1,862. Total deaths almost 31,000. New deaths 39 plus. Total recovered 142,000. Active cases almost 500,000 people. Serious or in critical condition 25. So the total actually of deaths is 31,000 almost, and in critical condition over 25,000. So you can't expect good out of these critical patients. If you go to USA, the number of deaths cases 123,000, and new cases 198 plus. Total deaths 2,229. That's huge. New deaths 8 plus. Total recovered 3,200 plus, and active cases 118,000. In serious condition, critical condition 2,666. So if you add, this is going to be so terrible. So total deaths 2229, but 2666 are in critical condition. We can guess how bad they will undergo. Okay, Italy, the total number of cases 92 plus, 92,000 plus, and it goes higher than 10,000. And you see active cases, critical condition 3856. So more than 10,000 people already died, and another 3,856 people are in critical condition. China, that's in second position in terms of total number of cases, 81,000 plus, and new cases just 45 more, and total number of deaths 3,300. So can you imagine, in USA the number goes so high, 2,200 plus, and 26 plus, yeah, 2,666 in serious condition. So Italy, that's in second position in terms of cases, but in terms of in case if you consider the number of deaths, Italy is the first, and it's not just first, it's too high. Over 10,000 people have died of coronavirus in Italy, but the number in Spain has recently gone up so high, it's almost 6,000. So the total number of deaths in Spain is almost 6,000. Italy over 10,000. But in China, so many people, and they have this virus so early. At the time, people were not aware of this, and so many other problems were there. The population in China is too big. Still, the deaths, total number of deaths has remained much lower than Italy and Spain. So in Germany, the total number of cases is big, 57, almost 58,000, but the total number of death cases is 433 only. So if you compare if you make a ratio between the total number of cases and the total number of deaths, Germany is doing much better. If you look at France, you will see total number of cases over 37,000, and the number of deaths is not small, 2,300 plus. But in critical conditions, so many, 4,200, 4,300 in critical condition. In case of Spain, it's also very dangerous. So the total number of deaths is almost 6,000, but another 4,000 plus they are in critical condition. So the death toll may rise much higher in course of time. France, you see, and then Iran is doing much worse, 35,000 plus cases, and the number of deaths is over 2,500, and in critical conditions, so many, 3,200 are in critical condition. So Iran is not doing fine. UK, Boris Johnson, Prime Minister of UK, has tested positive. Prince Charles also tested positive. And UK, that's not a big place. You can say the population is not huge. The total number of cases over 17,000, and more than 1,000 people have so far died, and in critical condition 163. Switzerland over 14,000, the total deaths 264, and in critical condition over 300. Netherlands, less than 10,000 cases, more than 600 people have died, and in critical condition 914. So South Korea, today it's very bad. South Korea was doing much better recently, but today You see that South Korea has so many deaths recently, new cases, 100 and oh, this is new cases. So 105 people have newly been infected in South Korea. 152 total number of deaths, and 8 deaths have just recently occurred, and 59 people are critically in critical condition or in serious condition. Belgium, not bad, over 9,000 cases, but the number of deaths is 353, and many are in critical condition. So in Belgium, the death toll may rise much more because the number of deaths just 353, but almost 800 people are in critical condition. That's very dangerous. Austria, over 8,068 have died, 135 are in critical condition. Turkey, over 7,400, 108 people have died, and that's also big. 445 people are in critical condition. That's not good. Canada, such a big country after China, Canada is bigger than any other country. If you compare Canada with Bangladesh, 66 times bigger than Bangladesh and little bigger than America.